Good morning, classmates. Good morning, Doc. My report is about Section 2 and Section 3 of E-Human Management, Managing Knowledge People. We have Section 2, Redesigning HR Administrative Processes. So the section coverage are e-recruiting, categories and analysis of career websites, employee self-service, HR portal case study, access content and application, and human resource portals and the protein career, a three-factor model. So we have traditional recruiting versus recruiting processes. Under traditional recruiting, we have identification of hiring needs, submission of job requisition and approval, job posting, submission of job applications, screening of resume, interviewing, pre-employment screening, and then job offer and employment contract. Under e-recruiting, we have identification of hiring needs, submission of job requisition and approval, and then approval of the job requisition via a job database, job posting on the internet, online search of the job database by job seekers, and then online pre-screening and online self-assessment, submission of applications by applicants, directly into an applicant database, job offer, and employment contract, and then online search of the applicant database for candidate selection, online evaluation of resume, interviewing by recruiters or hiring manager, online pre-employment screening, and job offer and employment contract. So we have categories of e-recruiting sources. We have 6 categories. Number 1 is general purpose job board. The General Purpose Job Board provides a comprehensive online recruiting solution to both employers and job seekers across different industries. Job seekers can search for jobs by category, experience, education, location, or any combination of these job attributes. Next is the She Job Board. This serves highly specialized job markets such as a particular profession, industry, education, location, or any combination of these specialties. Number 3, e-recruiting application service provider. The e-recruiting application service provider develops and markets to recruiters and job boards a combination of specialized services in recruitment software, recruitment process management, education and training, and management expertise. Number 4, hybrid recruiting service provider or online and offline. The hybrid recruiting service provider is the traditional media or recruiting firm that provides e-recruiting services to both recruiters and job seekers. Number 5, e-recruiting consortium. An e-recruiting consortium is a cost-effective alternative to the services provided by the job boards. Number 6, corporate career website. The corporate career website is the hiring source of most widely used by Fortune 500 companies. While the majority of companies use a combination of the job boards and their career websites to advertise job openings, they posted more jobs on their career websites than on the job boards. Now, from traditional human resources to employee self-service portals, the evolution of traditional HR to ESS portals has been accelerated by the convergence of several organizational forces. The internal process of HR is changing its role from support to a more strategic focus in the organization. The role has developed from being primarily administrative to support, then to the role of a business partner. At the same time, HR is a stable, reliable business process, has high recognition with the organization, and touches every employee. Now, for web portals, the term portal has been an internet buzzword that has promised great benefits to organization. DS predicted that the corporate portal would become the most important information delivery project on the next decade. The term portal takes a different meaning depending on the viewpoint of the participant in the portal. To the business user, the portal is all about information access and navigation. To the organization, the portal is all about adding value to the marketplace. The portal is all about new business models. And to the technologist, a portal is all about integration. Now, for protein career, the term protein is derived from the Greek word proteus, who could change shape at will. Hall used this construct to describe a career that is constantly changing and mostly driven by the employee himself or herself. The construct of protein career is similar to that a boundaryless career. An idea, boundaryless means employment and careers unfolding over time across multiple employment opportunities and employer firms. Human Resource Portals is a set of applications that provides users with a single gateway to customize and personalize information. This portal can be limited to a company intranet or it can extend to the internet or include both. Using these portals, employees can collect information related to benefits, compensation, training opportunities, knowledge management, and continuous learning, to name a few. Now let's move to three-factor model. Number one is individual factors. In this model, individual factors refer to the employee's personal characteristics that may affect the likelihood of using HR portals to manage his, her, or own career. These individual characteristics include self-motivation, attitude toward HR portals, and ability to use the HR portals. Although this list is not exhaustive, it captures the key individual factors that influence the effective use of web-based human resources services. Number two is factors related to the HR portals. These factors include the reliability of the system and the extent to which the system is user-friendly. An HR portal is useful only if it's reliable and provides complete and accurate information. To the extent that it offers such information, it can be used as a tool for career information and continuous learning. The system should continuously work and the information it provides must be constantly updated. When the system does not provide accurate and complete information, employees may refrain from using it. In addition to being reliable, an HR portal system should be user-friendly. A user-friendly system is less intimidating and likely to spur employee enthusiasm. Using the system should be straightforward and not cumbersome. Number three is organizational factors. It includes organizational culture, opportunities for continuous learning, and the existence of EHR policies. When the organization supports the development and implementation of HR portals and provides opportunities for training and continuous learning, employees would be likely to use the system. An organizational culture that encourages innovation and continuous improvement would motivate employees to use new technologies. However, an organizational culture that cultivates the status quo may not generate the incentives for using new technologies. Next is Section 3 e-learning strategies. The section coverage are keeping up with the corporate university and e-learning strategies of companies. Now, what is a corporate university? A corporate university is a strategic umbrella for developing and educating employees, customers, and suppliers in order to meet an organization's business strategies. It is also an educational entity that is a strategic tool to design to assist its parent organization in achieving its mission by conducting activities that cultivate individual and organizational learning, knowledge, and wisdom. Now, what are major influences on corporate university growth? Number one is recognition of human resource management as an instrumental player in corporate strategy. Number two, emergence of knowledge management concepts and their integration into organizational practices. Number three is availability and continued development of new technologies that support e-learning approaches to human resource development. Now, here are the four key functions a corporate university should perform. Number one is knowledge systems and processes. This category recognizes the rapidly growing number of computer-based tools that can help an organization capture, organize, and disseminate knowledge, databases, expert system, and decision-making software. It also recognizes the importance of finding ways to use these tools effectively. Number two is networks and partnership. It supports the learning include connecting people or groups together within an organization, connecting with experts in the broader community outside the organization, and developing outsourced relationship for training and development activities where appropriate. Number three is learning processes. Most visibly, learning processes involve training and education programs. However, the corporate university should also be facilitating the creation of a culture of learning throughout the organization. Number four is people processes. It includes ways that people in the organization have to learn and build and reinforce shared meaning. Now, what is corporate e-learning? It can be defined as an extensive computer and internet-based method for a company's training and development policies. Today, new browser-based HR portal technology is changing the way organizations manage human resources, specifically the way firms train their employees. Now, researchers and practitioners mainly agree that by investing in e-learning, companies trying to gain three types of benefits. Number one, streamlining learning process through cost savings, instructional costs, opportunity costs, administrative costs, travel costs, scalability resulting from the repeatability of courses or modules. Cost reduction and flexibility can be achieved in many ways, mainly by choosing the level of interactivity and cooperation of a learning experience and its synchronicity or asynchronicity. Number two, quality and effectiveness of learning through flexibility, just-in-time access to knowledge information, and by tailoring time, methods, and content of courses to work requirements and learning by doing. Number three is motivation and retention of talented employees through customization and learning on demand. The delivery of online courses fitting personal learning style seems to enhance the learning experience. Learning on demand and free choice of courses may also develop employees' employability. That's it for my report. Thank you for listening.